Hi everyone, welcome to Lecture of Motor Auctions. My name's Tony and I'm here to give you an exclusive sneak peek at our next classic retro and performance auction here on Saturday the 29th of July. We're welcoming new entries all the way up until Thursday the 27th of July, and we will collect free of charge within a 50-mile radius of us here. You will find the link here for the forms to fill in for that. So let's start and show you some of the vehicles that are currently in our catalogue for this sale. So firstly is this rather stunning MGB GT. It's a true classic sports car from 1972, obviously in the best colour British racing green, with a black leather interior. The car does present in a very good condition. We're told it runs very well, and it's only got 87,000 miles recorded on the instrument cluster. So obviously it's powered by the beautiful 1798cc engine, thrilling driving experience coupled with obviously stunning British design. And then next, in contrast, we have a true icon of luxury on off-road. This Land Rover Range Rover Bordeaux, automatic 2001 with only 83,000 miles on it. We've been assured that it runs like a dream, as you would expect. The current MOT till April 2024. As you'll see from other images we've taken and videos of the vehicle, it's in really good condition. It's got the air suspension that's working. So these were a 30-year celebration of the Range Rover for the Bordeaux edition, which makes this one of only 100 of these vehicles ever made. So we're pleased to offer that one. So moving on, look at this for a bit of fun in the summer. So this is a Fiero factory limited V2, believed to be built in 2011. Obviously a very, very rare vehicle with only one previous owner. It only has 2,000 miles on the clock. It's based on a Plymouth Prowler, a full fiberglass body. We do have a spare hard top hood as well for the vehicle. It does have a 2.9 Cosworth 24 valve engine in there with a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's in excellent condition. The gearbox has undergone some work again in 2022. There's only a few of these kits were ever built and fully completed, and we're really pleased to have that one here with us. And the next vehicle, which we know have huge followings as well, is this 3 Series, 1993 318. It has only one owner from new and only 35,000 miles on the clock. As you can imagine, with this low mileage, the previous owner has kept this vehicle in excellent condition inside and out. No doubt due to the period of 15 years in storage, where it was kept off the road until 2021. So now let's travel even further back in time to 1973, when this exceptional Jensen Interceptor 3 was first registered. It's a true collector's dream. It only displays 78,000 miles, powered by the 7.2 litre engine. This car has undergone a full restoration with receipts and bills to the tune of £34,000. So it's had huge money spent on it. It is, as I say, in exceptional condition. The interior is beautiful. Really pleased to have that car with us. And then parked next to it, we've got the 1990 Peugeot 205 XE Trio Plus. This is powered by a zippy 954cc engine. Represents a real true icon of this 90s era, showing only 65,000 miles on the clock. That, again, we're told, and we've moved it around, that car runs and sounds like a dream as well. And lastly, this is the last vehicle I want to show you today, and it's this stunning Bentley S1 1958 registered vehicle. And as you'll see from this and other videos we've done, this is in spectacular condition for its age. It's got a power sunroof, power steering, it all works correctly, and I say a real head turner, this vehicle. Thank you for watching today. We will publish more videos as we get new and interesting vehicles in. Please mark your calendars for Saturday the 29th of July here at Lecture of Motor Auctions. The auction will start at midday. Thank you.